Welcome students. Welcome to my new lecture. I am Roxana Parvin, lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, World University of Bangladesh. Our today's lecture will comprises about the brief description about sheet pile wall and mathematical problems related to sheet pile wall. Sheet pile wall. Generally, sheet pile works as like a wall which resists the adjacent structure to collapse. It is generally constructed in a series so as to form a wall. It may be constructed by wood, steel, precast concrete, etc. Uses of sheet pile wall. Temporary construction because of high salvage value of the pile, as the sheets can be reused or can be sold in a world market. Lightweight construction where the upper layer or layers of subsoil are inadequate for supporting retaining walls. As the sheets are light in weight, so it is good to use in this type of constructions. Construction of jetties, groins and boat basins as well as for retaining earth or land areas. These are the figures of sheet pile wall. Here we can see these are the continuous sheets used in the pile to make it a wall and acts as a pile. What are the cases that sheet pile wall is not suitable? There are some limitations of sheet pile wall to be used. The sheet pile will not suitable in the following cases. Very high walls which require disproportioning high flexural strength of the pile section. If the wall is very high, it requires a sufficient or large pile section to bear the stress of the wall, and to avoid a large pile section it is better to avoid sheet pile. Inadequate depth of penetration due to boulders in the subsoil or high bedrock which prevents pile penetration. Generally, in high bedrocks areas where penetration depth cannot achieved easily, it is better to avoid this type of wall. The advantage of sheet piling over other retaining structures. It is of relatively high weight except wooden pile. It may be reused several times. It has a long service life either above or below water with modest protection. As we know, steel sheet or precast concrete has a longer lifespan. It is easy to increase its length by either welding or bolting. Joints are less subjected to deformation during driving operation. Classification of sheet pile walls. According to materials, sheet piles are classified as wooden sheet piles, precast concrete sheet piles, steel sheet piles, aluminium sheet piles. According to construction and structure action, sheet pile walls are classified as cantilever sheet pile wall, anchor sheet pile wall. These are the example of anchor sheet pile wall. The only difference between cantilever and anchor sheet pile is that there will be a anchors in the anchor sheet pile wall. This is the figure of cantilever sheet pile wall. These are the main difference between the two sheet piles. Left side is for cantilever sheet pile wall and right side is for anchor sheet pile wall. It is recommended for walls of moderate height above 20 feet. It is recommended for walls of height more than 20 feet. Anchor or tie rod is not used. Anchor or tie rod is used near the top of wall to tie with anchor plates. Lateral earth pressure is resisted by the wall itself. Lateral earth pressure is resisted by the wall as well as tie rod. Subjected to more lateral deflection. Subjected to less lateral deflection than cantilever sheet. Comparatively costly, comparatively economical. An anchored sheet pile is shown in figure. This pile is in the water. From this sheet pile, we have to determine the actual depth of penetration using d actual equal to 1.5 d theoretical to draw the pressure distribution diagram and to determine the anchor force per unit length of wall. Here, small L1 equal to 1.53 meter, equal to depth of anchorage from top of the soil surface. Capital L1 equal to 3.05 meter, equal to depth of water from the soil surface. Here, all soil strata are sand and unit weight of sand gamma equal to 16 kilonewton per meter cube and gamma sat equal to 19.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Angle of internal friction phi equal to 30 degree. We have to calculate this penetration depth D. Position of anchorage small L2 equal capital L1 minus small L1. Finally, small L2 equal to 1.52 meter. This is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you everyone.